What's up guys, we're here with NZXT and we have their first ever motherboard. It is the N7, and NZXT has really tried to make things easy for builders and gamers to kind of put together the ultimate system, and this is the next evolution of that. So the N7 is a Z370 motherboard, and the big feature, the one thing that really stands out, is this full cover. This is metal, this is not plastic or anything like that. You have this full metal cover. This one comes in black, but they also have a white version, so you can kind of pick, and depending on your build, you can kind of build all around that. Now, we actually have some removable pieces. This piece and this piece right here can be removed, and you can swap them out with different colors that we have here. One thing that's really great about this whole cover is it's completely toolless, so you can pop this entire thing off, and we'll kind of get into the board and show you all of that. So again, this is a Z370 motherboard. So we have two PCI Express 3.0 X16 slots. We have our dual M.2 slots. And everything is like what you would expect from a Z370 motherboard, but one cool thing that they've done is they've built in Hue as well as their grid products into this board. So I'm sure many of you are familiar with their CAM software. It's all built into this board. So down here you can see we have all of the connections at the bottom of the board. And if we bring our other board up here, we can see that everything is over the cover, so it's easy access to everything. If we switch over here, we can see all of our fan channels up top. Extremely easy to access here. So this board will be available hopefully towards the end of this month. It will retail for $299, but you have to consider you're getting basically a Hue Plus and Grid Plus, and CPU overclocking will be built into CAM now. So definitely something very exciting coming from NZXT.